Welcome back to the Patriot Arms channel. Today I got my P80, Glock 19 P80 out. I took the muzzle brake off and put a 15-pound spring in it, and it's been working pretty good so far. So let's put some more ammo through it, see what happens. No issues so far. I shot one full magazine off camera. Didn't have any issues with it, and this will be the fourth one. Well, I think I finally fixed it. That's 4 17-round mags, the actual OEM Glock mags. So far we're doing good. We got 4 17-round magazines through it, and no malfunctions, which is better than before. Before, I was lucky if I got through one whole magazine, and so I think I finally fixed it. Finally took the time to actually take the muzzle brake off and put the 15-pound spring in it. For those of you who don't know the issues I was having with it, it was short cycling with the brake on it. It's been, even before I put the brake on it, it was doing that. Apparently the spring that came with, that I bought, the stock spring weight that I bought when I bought the parts to build it, was too heavy because it's been stovepiping since day one. So I put the 13 pounds, after I put the muzzle brake on it, it was started doing malfunctioning worse. So I put a 13-pound spring in it, and it was still not functioning reliably. But it was doing a little bit better than before. So today I took the 13-pound spring out, put a 15-pound spring in it, and took the muzzle brake off, and I think we fixed it. So thank you for everybody who was giving me advice on what to do and helping me out. So thank you guys for doing that. I really do appreciate it. That'll be it for today. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.